In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MACD strategy in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to TradingView or to indicators in general, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to load the built-in MACD strategy onto your chart so you can start testing and analyzing trade ideas using TradingView's strategy tester. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market you like, stocks, crypto, forex, whatever you normally trade. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators and Strategies, and it sits above your chart area. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the Indicators button, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top, you'll see a search bar, and below that, you'll find different tabs and sections, including one specifically for strategies. Instead of staying on the default indicators list, move your attention to the tab labeled Strategies. Click on Strategies to switch from regular indicators to TradingView's built-in strategy scripts. Now that you're inside the Strategies section, you'll see a list of available strategies that come preloaded with TradingView. These are different from standard indicators because they can actually generate trade entries and exits, and they can be used with the strategy tester to see how a particular approach would have performed historically. In this list, scroll down until you find the one called MACD strategy. You can also use the search bar at the top and type MACD strategy to get to it faster. Once you see it in the list, simply click on MACD strategy. As soon as you click it, TradingView will automatically add the MACD strategy to your current chart. You'll notice new visual elements appearing on the chart, such as entry and exit markers, and you may also see a strategy tester panel open at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can review performance metrics, tweak inputs, and adjust settings to better fit your trading style. That's all you need to do to add the MACD strategy in TradingView Pro. If you're ready to start using this setup yourself, use the link in my description to sign up.